So what's up, guys? Welcome back to another legendary vlog. Right now I'm on my way to this car show here in Tucson, another car show. Fortunately, there's no categories for our trucks, but we're still gonna pull up, see what's popping, see all the different cars that they got out there. I heard there's a lot of dope old school like hot rods that are gonna be there, so, and it's pretty packed as what I heard. So I'm gonna head over there. I'm not sure if David's gonna meet me at the car show or not, because I know Ritchie's working, so I'm pretty sure they're both working today. So for now, we're gonna go to that car show, and then later on I know we're gonna go to a little dinner for Ritchie's birthday, to celebrate Ritchie's birthday. Since it landed during the week, we really didn't get to do anything for his birthday. So we're gonna go take him to dinner tonight and yeah, just hang out. So I'll catch you guys when we get to that car show. Yeah guys, as I was saying, we're here, we pulled up. Truck's not in the show, but we're going to check out this car show, so let's get to it. So yeah, we're gonna pull up. Might catch my boy Leon. Tucson for the streets. If you don't know, now you know. Go check him out. Get a little interview with him and check out some of these dope rides. Let's get it, guys. All right, guys. So, like I said, we pulled up to this car show. I'm right here with my boy Leon. What's good, Leon? What's going on?
What up, what up, what up? It's your boy. I'm back out here on the streets. We at the Pima County, or excuse me, we at the Pima show for Rider Days. You know what I'm saying? We at the Pima College campus, and we just out here, we kicking it. Me and my boy A-Rod, we just doing what we do. We having a good time, checking out some classic cars. You know, specialists, we always out here. You know, I'm always for the streets. I'm always out here. I'll be out here. So we just hanging out. We having a good time. We walking around. We gonna be meeting some of these crazy people. So hang out. Check it out.
All right, let's get it. You know what that is. You know what that is. It's that Chevy power in a Ford. What? Chevy power in a Ford? You know how it does. You know how it is. Most of these cars be having Chevy motors, but be claiming they're Fords. We know it's the real heart underneath those cars, bruh. We know it's really pushing those cars to do what they got to do. So all these Ford owners that claim, oh, it's a Ford, nothing but Ford. You got a Chevy motor, my guy. Like I was saying, another Chevy block. Talk about race truck stuff, though. Look at that. Gasser. Pretty sick. True race truck shit right here. Says crazy. But yeah, let's keep on taking a look around, see what else we could see. And then we got this thing right here. Look at. Sheesh. The intro wheels. Custom interior. And then, better yet, then Corvette motor. Look at that. Shit. Oh, my bad. Didn't mean to cuss, but thing's super nice. Cheers. So yeah, guys, as you just saw, I'm gonna head home, go get ready for that dinner with Ritchie and David tonight, and just hang out, have a dope little family night, chill, and yeah, just kick back. But dope little car show we came out to see. So I'll be catching you guys here soon. So what's up, guys? Just got finished eating lunch. So I had this diecast. Some of you may not know, I collect a lot of diecast cars, and I had this diecast. I've been hitting up my friend because he has a car similar to it. So I told him to pull up right now and come pick this diecast up for me. So he's here. He sent me a picture that he's here. So let's give it to him. All right, so he has a car exactly like this. He didn't bring it today with him, but we're gonna give him it. Good.
What's up, man? How you doing? Say what's up, Zane.
Poppin'.
Say what up, bro? All right, what you got? Dang, is that a Grand National?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, dude. You can put it in the collection or what?
Yeah.
Oh,
Since you got the Grand, I was
we
like,
got the real Grand one,
yeah,
huh?
I was like,
What
that
year?
would be sick.
What year is our Grand National? It's an 86.
86. Yeah.
Heck yeah, brother. Heck yeah, man. Thank you. That's just dope, dude.
Yeah. So you could, when you go to the car shows, you could put it right there. You got the little model.
We'll have the real car, and then we'll put it right there on the bottom, huh?
No, wait, how about,
Tell 'em.
is there like a little, like a big circle, like a washer?
A washer?
No, I forgot what it's called.
Like the burnout pit.
Oh, like the burnout pit one?
No, like the air filter.
Oh, yeah.
Does it have that?
Yeah,
you could put it right there.
Yeah, we can
Put it right there. We'll put it
The
right on.
motor.
We'll put it right on top of the turbo. How that? Huh?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be sick.
Yeah, man.
Hell yeah, appreciate it. Huh? That's just dope, dude. Thank you.
Sure.
Say thank you, Zay. How's the bad old truck doing?
It's all right.
Yeah. Still staying clean. See the peanut butter gut?
Peanut butter.
There it is, dude. I told you. Sick.
Little by little.
What's it called?
Peanut butter. Yes. Yeah.
Heck yeah. That's what's up, though.
For sure.
Hell yeah. Man, we were gonna take the dually out to that car show, but we had a breakfast for her with her family and shit.
It's all good.
So was it pretty cool? The people?
Yeah, it was good.
It was dope. There's another one downtown, I guess, like a 4th Avenue.
Really?
Yeah.
Then, show a picture of it.
Dude, well, we gotta finish it. I gotta order the drop kit.
No, just show her it.
He seen it,
Yeah,
bro.
I seen it with the big wheels.
What size are the wheels?
24 inch.
24.
24s. Dang.
Real alcohol.
What about the blue truck? Where's the blue truck?
Oh, dude, the dude, yeah, she needs some loving too, dude. We gotta do one by one, man, unless I hit the lottery. I just sold my Harley, my bike, so now I gotta finish up the dually. So next is drop kit, just a little 2.4 just to get rid of that wheel well.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna do the interior, and then I'll get it painted. I'm gonna do that dark ass maroon like that.
We'll have to get that one on the vlog too.
Yeah, heck yeah, dog. Shoot, for sure, dog. All right, man. Thank you, man.
I got you.
We'll see you later, guys. Thank you, man. Peace.
So yeah, guys, gave him a car. I'll have him send us a picture of it with the real car that he has. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna go meet up with Richie and David later. Eat some. All we do is eat. So we're gonna go eat dinner and catch you
We
guys
just
later.
came back from eating.
I know we just came from eating, but we'll catch you guys in a bit.
All right, guys. So we actually made it to dinner. We unfortunately weren't able to make it to the car show, but as you guys already saw, he went. So
It's all good.
and right now we're waiting on Ritchie. I don't know where he's at.
Where's Richie at?
His birthday, we had to celebrate his birthday for the whole. I love.
Wait,
God damn!
wait.
Birthday boy over here acting up.
God damn!
Turns
Mames.
26 and doesn't know how to act.
I gotta enjoy the life.
Sorry, kids.
Whoa,
Sorry, kids.
Whoa!
Sorry. Mete la panza, güey. There you go.
All right. So, A-Rod went to a car show earlier. I didn't know about it, but
No, he did know, but he wasn't paying attention.
maybe I did know, but I wasn't paying attention.
So, yeah, so we came out here to eat, enjoy it with, our boy.
Yeah.
He got all the meats that he could get,
All of them.
all of them. We're talking about, what is it? Rabbi,
Filet mignon. It's a
Filet mignon,
Brazilian
yeah.
steakhouse. You dirty-minded
Sponsor
little
us,
freaking
please.
bastard.
yeah, come
Can't
on now.
believe you guys.
So what were you guys thinking about?
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness.
But other than that, what's the next thing that we have next week?
Oh, Alvaro's gonna be at.
I-5 smoke
Yeah,
out.
he's being at I-5, but that's on the weekend. Oh,
Oh,
I'm
no!
sorry.
But what do we got going on during the week?
Photo shoot? The interview?
Yeah, we might have a photo.
We
shoot.
might have another interview coming soon. If not, we'll do something for you
Stay
guys.
tuned either way. You're
Yeah.
supposed to be staying tuned anyway, so
Yeah.
Yeah.
And don't
Stay
forget to
tuned.
like
subscribe,
Comment.
subscribe,
and like.
subscribe.
Hey, you guys need to comment because you guys don't comment on these videos at all. You guys see
Hey,
them
A-Rod,
and nothing.
Can you put a bunch of subscribes when I do this?
Like right here.
Yeah, like right there.
Yeah, we'll do it.
All right, let's do that.
Oh yeah, you guys saw it. As
So
you guys seen.
subscribe. Subscribe.
But yeah, hey, thank you guys for tuning in all the time. Appreciate you guys.
Much
And
love.
hasta la próxima.
You see this? This is a factory.
Yeah, no,
My
for
name
sure.
my name is Brody. This right here, this is a factory. This my boy right, ghetto rigged it. Ghetto.
We had to.
You don't even see this at GMC. You don't. This isn't GM at all. He got it from a Can-Am. I'm not gonna tell you where he got this Can-Am from, but that's where he got them from. You see, they're not even pointing. They're not even pointing up. They're
don't even
cockeyed.
work.
You
They
see
don't
the way
even
pugs are? How pugs look different ways? That's how this is right here.
What's up with this right there? What's that?
He's a cop. He's a cop.
He's a cop. He's a cop. You a cop? Let's go for a little ride.
I call him Brian. His name is Brian Spillner. And he's from Tucson. Tucson.
He's a undercover.
He works for what is it called? Damn. What is it called? The Fast and
Definitely don't
Gary,
point at me.
is it Gary's? No, it's not.
Where?
Brian, when he works for the fucking sports store. He works for Summit Racing.
Sports store.
Summit Racing.
Yeah, it's sports. Actually, believe it or not, racing is a sport.
It is. Hey, when he tries to autocorrect himself, it's a sport, all right? It's a sport.
It's a sport. NASCAR.
Doing
it's a
burnouts.
sport.
Doing burnouts is a sport.
It's a sport. It's a fucking.
Fuck up.
Oh, now it's our fault.
Hey, there's kids watching
But
this.
We gotta wait till the girls get their hair done
Oh,
and the makeup
Oh,
done.
that's why we go without you.
But you here though.
I didn't get my hair done.
What's your name? Johnny.
I gotta go. I almost fell.
My boy. Let me see this real quick.
What happened?
Almost say shit.
Ah, look at them shoes.
Copyright.
Ooh. My boy's sick with it.
Copyright.
Hey, Jordan.
Shoe check. Shoe check.
Shoe check. Oh.
I'm a menace.
He's
I'm a
about,
menace.
he's about to murder someone.
I'm a menace.
I mean, the Yeezys, and then we got these beaters. They're fake, so don't worry
Hey,
about that.
crease check. Crease check. Crease check. A la verga.
Almost broke my ankle. Oh, hey, crease check. I better crease check.
Nah, you got me fucked up.
No, remember those are the ones that the soles melted at the show.
Oh yeah.
There's still a little bit right there. Can you see it?
Yeah.
No tread.
Wait, hold on. He's on
I bet I need loose. I need loose.
He said slicks.
A la verga.
No tread. No tread. Did I get this one too? A little bit right there. Oh shit.
A la verga. Whoa.
Oh, at least you can do the 4.
Sheesh.
Drug test? I mean,
Hey, Nike, sponsor us.
I know it's Jordan sponsor us. Please.
Nike. Nice polo.
Oh. What are the pantalones?
They're not pantalones. They're
A la verga. True religion. Ay, feria.
True religion.
it was a birthday
Sponsor us.
It was a birthday gift from the wife, but shh. Don't let her know I said that.
No one gotta know.
Nobody gonna know. I was
Okay,
supposed to get
baby
him
girl, no
tomorrow.
one's gotta know.
I was supposed to get him tomorrow on April 20th. Got him today.
It's the 28th, my boy.